How to delete a member in Life360 app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete a member in your Life360 app. So if you want to delete a member from a Life360 circle, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to launch the Life360 app on your mobile device here. Go and open up your Life360 app here. So here you have to navigate to your setting, and on your setting here you can see the circle management. You have to select your circle management here. So on your circle management you can select the circle member or edit the circle name and change the admin status here. So you have to just go for the add member and you have to send the code. So if you have already member on your circle, then you can just tap on their name that you want to remove from the circle, and you have to scroll down and tap on the remove member name from the circle, and you have to confirm the remove by tapping on the remove there. So the member will be removed from your circle and they will be no longer have the access to your location. So with the help of this video, you will know about how you can delete a member on your Life360 app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.